Let's see who will type Amen today. This message is not by chance. It reached you for a reason. Dear God, bless the life of the person who writes Amen right now. Touch their heart, strengthen their faith, and calm their worries. Give health to those who like this video, overflowing blessings to those who share this message, and abundance to those who follow this page. Open doors that were closed. Bring peace to this home. Remove fear, sadness, and lack. Fill this life with protection, provision, and hope. May miracles begin today, Lord. If you believe, type Amen.